one thing you learn around architecture is there's no right architecture.
Sure.
There's compromises you are willing to live with for benefits that you need.
Yeah, I'll tell you my view on it because we have a very decentralized business, so it's the same. Obviously, it's predominantly in the UK and a bit of Europe, but it is very, very decentralized. So my kind of guiding ethos is I always ask myself when designing these things. Obviously, it's a bit more complex than this, but generally, I ask myself, is it a decision that the depot manager or the depot teams can make? Is it something that they can make? And if they can make it, then I'll build a system that supports them to make it. If it's something that they can't do, then I will build the world's best system to support them in it. So I'll give you an example, right? Pricing. Our model works and our depot managers get to price to their customers because they know the customer situation, they know the competitors, they know the market, they know, they are the best pricing model that we can have as our depot managers and their teams. So I'm never going to build a pricing module that tells them what the price will be. I will give them the tools that they can understand the margin implication and they can see historic pricing, and we do some scraping to show what competitors are, but I'll never make that decision for them. But then if you look at something like creating online, harvesting and creating online leads. Can the depots do this? They can't. Like, it's just not within their skill set. Cool. So that gives me the authority to go and play there, and then I'll build the world's best engine of how do we go and generate leads. But if the answer to the first question is the depots can do it, then invariably that's where I will tend to then try and keep that decision making there. But if it's just something that's not within their gift, then I will go and build an enterprise solution to it.
Yep, that makes complete sense.